Hey friends, if Google Chrome full screen is not working or exiting on your system, then please watch this video. Now I'll tell you the reason because the functions are a little different with Chrome. We do not find any option for full screen in this list here. Now I'll tell you what the option is. So next to zoom, you'll notice this kind of icon here. This icon represents full screen. So click on this and you'll go into full screen. Now it says hit escape and you will exit full screen. I hit escape, I did not. So the point is that you shouldn't hit escape once, but you need to long press escape key. Okay. So just long press escape key and after 3 to 4 seconds it will exit Chrome. So that's the case. And now there's another thing. We have a shortcut for Windows, only for Windows computers, to enter full screen on the Google Chrome browser, that is F11. So when I press F11, I have entered the full screen. It won't exit easily. You'll have to long press the escape key, not for 2 to 3 seconds, but easily for 4 to 5 seconds, and then it will exit the Chrome browser full screen mode. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.